before starting workshop, I would like everyone to be on mute so that your ma'am can teach you. Okay. And at the end of session, we will have 5 to 10. We will give you 5 to 10 minutes to ask each and every sort of questions you want to ask. And if you have any doubt, please write in the chat box. We will clear your doubts there. Okay. So I would like to introduce you to your dance teacher, Harshita Singh. Hi,
Hello,
Harshita.
everyone. Hi, Purnima. Thank you so much for having me here.
So let's start the class. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll take over from there. Hello, children. Can you hear me? If yes, then please raise your thumb. No need to unmute yourself. Okay. Okay. So as we know, today we're going to learn Bharatanatyam, the basics of Bharatanatyam, which is how we can do the Namaskaram, how we learn the movements of legs and hands and eyes and your body postures, how it should be, how you should be standing there, how you should be sitting in Aramandi or in Murmandi. So let's start with that. Bharatanatyam, as you all know, it's a very, very old dance form, Indian classical old dance form, which has been originated from Tamil Nadu, South, okay, South India. So we'll be learning the basics of Bharatanatyam. First, I was thinking to introduce you with Dhyan Shloka, but now I think we should start with Namaskaram. So please put your fingers. Can you see on the screen? Put your 2 fingers, join them with your thumb. 2 fingers. These 2 fingers, join them with your thumb. Okay. Now, bring it in front of your chest. Not so far, not so close. Okay. Yes. Yes. Like that. You have to join it and you have to put this mudra is called Katkamukh. This is called Katkamukh. So now we're going to tap our right foot and then left one. So we'll do tak ka dim me. Come on, do it with me. Elbows straight. Elbows not down. Put it over here. Straight. It's a straight line. Tak ka dim me. Now make a thumbs up. Make a thumbs up. Yeah. This is called shikhar. This is called shikhar. Now the thumb should be integrated to your chest. Now make a round circle like this. Okay. So we'll start again from here with Katkamukh. Tak ka dim me. Tak ka dim me. Again Katkamukh and we'll sit down. 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 Now with this finger, with 3 fingers unfolded and thumb inside. Can you see that? Yes, exactly. So now while sitting down, you're going to touch the floor. Tak ka dim me. And then your eyes. Tak ka dim me. And now you're going to make a whole circle with your flat hands. Can you see them? With your flat hands. Tak ka, with a round circle above your head. And then while bring it in the center, you'll stand up. Tak ka dim me. This is the most basic Namaskaram of Bharatanatyam. Now we'll do that again with the whole thing. Okay? We'll do that again with the whole thing. Starting from tapping your first like tak ka dim me. Now shikhar, thumbs up. Tak ka dim me. Make a round circle. Tak ka dim me. Touch the floor. And then your eyes. Tak ka dim me. Now with your flat hands, make a round circle. Bring it in your center and stand up. Tak ka dim me. Perfect. Now, this is the most basic, as I've told. In this, we have learned many mudras. The first mudra is Katka Mukh. Show me everyone Katka Mukh. Joining your two fingers with your thumb. Katka Mukh. The second posture is, the second mudra is Shikhar. Okay. The third one is Chatur. Huh? Chatur. Thumbs inside, little finger outside. Yes. This is called Chatur. And the last one is Pataka. Okay. The hands, we are taking it around circle and bring it over here. Okay. This is called Pataka. So how many postures, how many mudras we have learned? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we'll move with the basic movements of your legs and your hands. So before that, you have to learn the 3 postures in which the most of the dance is being done in the Bharatanatyam. So the first posture is like you stand up like this, as you can see me, foot join and your hands at the back. This make this hand posture Pataka, as you have learned in Namaskaram, Pataka, and now put it in your back like this. Yes. And now join your feet together and stand like this. Join your feet together. Yeah, correct. I can see you all. Okay. Now, feet together. This is called Samam. This is called Sanam. Okay. This is the first Pada. Pada Bheda. This is the first Pada Samam. Now, in the second, you'll open up your knees like this. Okay. As you can see, you will open up your knees like this and you will do the half sitting. There should be little bit of gap in your both the feet and you will sit like this. Yes. Back straight, no bending, back straight. Yes, like that. Okay. Sit, back straight. This is called Aramandi. Means half sitting. Like this is your parallel sitting. Okay. Hand should be at the back. Half sitting, which is Aramandi. This is the second mudra, second Pada Bheda. Now the third one is like in Namaskaram, you have come down while touching the floor. Now this is called sitting on your toes. This is called Murumandi. We do a lot of dance in Murumandi, but the most of the dance is being done in Aramandi. So we have learned the 3 Bhedas, which are Murumandi, Aramandi, and Samam. Now, do that with me in one go. We'll go from Samam, Aramandi, and then Murumandi. Okay? So, Samam. Everyone stand up with their hands at the back. Yes. Feet join. Yes. Gulnor, please stand up straight. Yes. Now, Aramandi. Do the half sitting, knees apart. Knees should be facing outwards. Yes, Aramandi. Hands at the back. I'm doing the hand movements. You have to not do the hand movements. Hands at the back. Now, do the whole sitting on your toes. Murumandi. Back straight. Yes. Sit down on your toes. On your toes, knees apart. As you can see, my knees are apart. It's not like this, not like this. It's this. Hands at the back, back straight. Okay. Now, we'll start with the Tatados, which are leg movements. Have you been all clear while this? If yes, then please raise your thumbs up. And if you have some doubts, we'll clear it afterwards. Okay. Yes. There are some people whose cameras are off. Siddhi, Devika. I hope, please, every student, every children should put on their cameras on and mic off. Okay. Okay. We'll start with Tatadau, which is leg movements, which is being done in 8 types, 8 forms, and in 3 speed. First is Vilambit, second is Madhya, and the third is Drut. Means we do the leg movements in all the 3 speeds, like first speed, second speed, and the third speed, which are kept in the slower, medium, and the faster tempo. So we'll start with Tatadau 1, which is sitting in Aramandi, hands at the back. Do with me. Sitting in Aramandi, hands at the back, and raise your right leg up to your hip. Your right leg, bring downside the knee. Okay, not the whole, downside the knee. Yeah. No, not like that. Just your ankle, just your foot. Okay, raise it like this and tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay. This is the first Tatadau, which is being done in first, second, and third speed. No, not like that, not like that. We'll start it with slow. Who's this? Jagriti. Please focus. Okay. Sit in Aramandi and do tay, ya, tay with me. Come on. Tay, ya, tay. Hands at the back. Your hand should be at the back. Tay, ya, tay. Tay, ya, tay. Tay, ya, tay. Tay, ya, tak, then me. Now the second speed. We'll put on the second speed, which is bit faster. Tay, ya, tay. 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 Now the third speed. Tay, ya, tay. 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 We'll stand like this. This is the first Tatadau. Okay, everyone is being clear? Which is done in first speed, second speed, and third speed. This is the whole leg movement we start from. Now, in the second Tatadau, we'll repeat the first one twice. Like the tapping of the foot, we'll repeat the twice. So it will be tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tak, then me. Second speed, tay, ya, tay, 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 tay, ya, tay. Third speed, tay, ya, tay, 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 tay, ya, tay. No weight shifting. Not like this to this. Stand straight, back straight. Tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay. Yes. Thanks, Purnima. I was muted for. Now we'll start with the third Satyado, which is tapping the foot thrice. Like in the first and second, we have done tapping the foot. Tay, ya, tay, tay, ya, tay, 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 tam, tay, tay, tam. Kitataka tay, tay, tam, tay, tay, tam. So now sit in Aramandi, everyone. Tapasya Dev. Yes. Please remove your shoes, beta. Remove your shoes. No shoes wearing. Any Indian classical dance form we do with barefoot. Okay. Now the third Satyado. Tay, 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 tam, kitta, takka, tay, tay, tam, kitta, takka, tay, left, tam, kitta, takka, right, 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 kitta, takka, left, left, left. Now second speed. Tay, tay, tam, 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 tay, tay, kitta, takka, tay, tay, tam, taya, taya, tay, 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 taya, taya, tay. Now this is the third Satyado we have just done. Okay, which is tapping the foot thrice in first, second, and third speed. Now we'll move with the hand movement, which is done in Aramandi while sitting. And the first hand posture we all need to learn is Natyaram. So join your hands, incline it to your inside way, and open it from over here in a Patak position. If you all can see me just a minute. Yes. As you can see me, this. It's a curve. Your hands should be in a Patak posture, as we have learned in Namaskaram. Okay. And we'll put it beside your elbow. It's little bit of turn. As you can see, it's bit of curve. And then hands, your palm is as straight as it can be. This is called Natyaram. Do it with your both of your hands, back straight. Knees, elbow, don't incline like that. It should be straight up, not down. Elbows up. Everybody, elbows up. Stand in a samam position. Stand in a sama position. Samam padbheda. Yes. Now this, do like this. Natyaram. This is called Natyaram. This is called Natyaram. Okay. Now we'll do the first Natyado, which means doing the movements with your hands and feet together. Before that, earlier we were doing the only foot movements. Okay. But now we'll do that with the hands too. So the first Natyado is, I'm just doing the first part, first Natyado. Sit in Aramandi. Everybody with the Natyaram, sit in Aramandi. Yes. And now with the first, Tai, Yum, Tat, Tat, Tai, Yum, Ta. Now, when you will do Tai, Yum, so which means opening of your pataka and moving your ring finger, making a mudra like this. This is called Tripataka. This is Pataka. This is Tripataka. Folding your ring finger. Okay. folding your ring finger. Anamika. This is called Anamika. Okay. So when we will do Tayyum, so your pataka will open like this. And from pataka, it will be Tripataka. Means Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Okay. Now, we'll do that. We'll sitting in Haramandi, we'll do. And now, where the hands move, the eyes are set over there. So we'll do Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. While doing the right hand movement, we'll look towards right and will Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, will look towards right, and with ta, will look straight. Same as that with left side, Tayyum will look towards left, and with ta will look straight. Okay, in your center. Now, do that with me, and this will be done in first, second, and third speed, as we have done in Tachido. Everyone sit in Aramandi. Yes, like that. Natyaram. Chavi, I can't see you. Siddhi, stand straight. Put your camera somewhere so I can see you. Okay. Now, we'll do that. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Kitataka, Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Second speed. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Tayyum, tat, 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 tat. Dimmi, Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. 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 Yes. Who is this? Himangini. You have to sit in Aramandi. We'll not do this while standing. Okay? We'll sit in Aramandi. Knees out. Yes. Put some distance between your feet. Put some distance between your feet. बच्चा, हाँ, अपनी हील्स के बीच में कुछ थोड़ा दूरी बनाओ. अपनी एड़ियों के बीच में थोड़ा दूरी बनाओ. हाँ. So that will be comfortable while doing. Okay. So this was the first Nachido. Now we will do the second Nachido. It is as same as the first one. We'll just repeat the movement twice. Now over here, so it will be Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Which means 2 times right, 2 times left. And that will be done in first, second, third speed as before. Ayush Dash, stand straight and dance. Meenakshi, Chavi, I can't see you. Yes, sit in Aramandi. Oh no. You have to join with the same link. The meeting is getting over. Okay. If the meeting gets over, you have to join with the same link. Okay. Now, do that with me in the second speed. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. Tayyum, tat, 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 tat. Dimmi, third speed. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. 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 Yes. Now, this was the second Nachido. Now, we'll be moving with the third one. Meenakshi, Manshika Padhi. Yes. We'll be doing that while sitting in Aramandi, not standing. Pacha? You have to sit in Aramandi and do that. Okay? Now, the third Nachido is Tayyum, tat, tat. Tayyum, tat, tat, Tayyum, ta. tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta, which is first tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Titataka tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Now do that with me. Both your hands in Aramandi, sitting in Aramandi, hands in Natcharam. Now we'll do that. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Kitatak, tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Left side, tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Kitatak, tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Again, tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Kitatak, tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Kitatak, tay, yum, tat, tay, ta. Kitatak, tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. This is the third Natcharam, and the hand movements, if you can't see clear, it is from Pataka to Tripataka, means tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Now we'll bring that hand over here, Pataka, in posture of Tripataka over here, facing downwards, and with that, the right leg will go backwards. If you all can see my foot, the right leg will go backwards, which means tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Now tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. The right leg will go backwards, and then you will start with your left foot. Yes. First, tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Okay? That we'll be doing in first and second and third feet. We'll do that. Yes, everyone. Please sit in Aramandi. Yes. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Now, right, left facing down and then up. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. This is the third. It is a bit different, but it is a combination of first and second Saturday. We'll be doing first right side, then left side, then bringing the right hand in Tripataka Mudra near your chest, and then inclining downwards and then opening up. Okay, while your left leg will be going backward. This is called swastik. While we standing in like this is called swastik padabheda. Okay, so tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Now this is a complete right side. Now we'll do that with the left again, which is tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Have you got clear? If yes, then please raise your hand. I can see Tapasya. Chavi, it's not clear?
Ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, great. Now we'll do that in the second speed and then in the third speed. Okay? And now that's faster tempo. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. 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 Do this. Just do this with me. Don't stop. Do this with me. I'll be giving you the tal. Dala, gutakade, gutakata, digena dum. After this, you have to start. Okay? Wait, Chavi. Dala, gutakade, gutakata, digena dum. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Tay, yum, tat, tay, yum, ta. Tayyum tat tat. You have to do the Natado. I was giving you the tal. Manakshi Tapasya, the thing you have just learned, the third Natado, you have to do. Okay, do it with me. Manshika, you have to do the dance, not the tal. Tal I was doing for you all to do. Okay? Now, sit in Aramandi and do with me. In the second speed, third Natado. Tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. 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 Second speed, third speed. Tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. 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 Now, everyone, please stand up. We'll be doing third Natado again. You already will be doing. I'll be giving you the tal. Okay? Now stand up. Vanshika, stand up. Sit in Aramandi. Chavi, Tapasya, Shreya, yes, Aramandi. And now the third Natado. Tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. 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 Second speed. Tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. 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 Tat tat tayyum ta. Tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. Tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. Third speed. Piyush Kumar Saho. Third speed. Third speed. Third Natado. Tayyum tat tat. Third speed. Third Natado. Sit in Aramandi. Devika. Yes. Third speed. Tayyum tat tat tayyum ta. 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 With this, we have come to end of this 1 hour workshop of us. Okay. If you want to learn more about Bharatanatyam, more about basics, more and then items, we'll be doing this again, but you have to practice this.